Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You open an incognito window now and take 2 quick precautions. Sign out of accounts and disable or review extensions. Do this because incognito stops local history but not account tracking or extensions. Once done, use a fresh tab for the sensitive task and avoid logging into services unless necessary. Also make sure browser updates are current so privacy fixes apply. This begins the safe session and reduces linkable traces between your private browsing and existing accounts. Now you focus on limiting external tracking. Choose a private search engine and prefer HTTPS. This prevents trivial eavesdropping. Once in the session, avoid signing into accounts that relink activity to your identity and do not reuse autofill data. Make sure to enable or run a reputable VPN when you need IP masking, because incognito alone won't hide you from websites or your ISP. Also disable third-party cookies and clear site data for any site that seems to overreach. To finish, close every incognito window so the browser clears session cookies and local storage. That completes the short-term cleanup. If you notice continued tracking or account linkages, clear DNS and browser cache, then restart the browser because stale entries can persist. Make sure to audit extensions, revoke suspicious permissions, or use a fresh profile. If problems remain, switch to a different privacy-focused browser or temporarily disable the VPN to isolate whether the issue is local or network-based.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.